So it's Earth Day, isn't it? And I thought to myself, I might as well get to somewhere that I love to be at, which is by the beach. And I'm gonna show you a couple shots of where I'm at. Those of you who live near to where I live would recognize where I am. It's one of my peaceful spots. Today has been an interesting day. It started with me giving a talk to a group of students at a high school, and it was such a deep talk because I was able to hear how students are perceiving this whole global crisis, this pandemic, and it was so heartening to hear their analysis. We're talking about high schoolers, and their analysis of the situation was so deeper than I think we probably would give them credit for on the face of it. And it resonated with me so much that I thought about the concept of resilience, and the fact that emerging from a lot of what's happening nowadays is not just resilience in the form of boosting the immune system, which I've been championing, but also the resilience emotionally and psychologically. Because history has shown that the generations that face the most brutal and toughest hardships on a community level are the generations that produce some of the greatest luminaries. And so that was something that I reflected on today as I spoke to these students. And it was pretty deep for me. One of the things that I need to let you know as well is that I'm going to be doing a workshop through Teshuva Wellness. We're going to be doing a workshop called Immune Strategies. It's called Rejuvenate Immune Strategies. That's the correct name. So it's a Rejuvenate workshop. It's something that we're probably going to be doing probably every month, so that people can get a more detailed look at what I've been saying on a surface level in these videos, and you guys can get a better appreciation for what it is that I'm trying to explain. I'm going to go deep into the biochemistry as much as I think is necessary, and share a little bit more than I would on these broadcasts. So it's going to be a session that you register for. I recommend that you register early. The early bird registration ends the 23rd. We extended it to the 23rd so that more people could get involved. And it's going to be a great workshop. We're going to have some really good speakers, if I say so myself. So one of the things I wanted to hear from you guys, though, is what are the ways that you cope with everything that this pandemic entails? How do you remain resilient? That's what I want to find out. I heard how these high schoolers try to remain resilient, and for the most part they're succeeding. But how do you? Tell me in the comments, because I'm actually here just walking through the water. And I'm just gonna keep contemplating, because this is how I get closer to God. I get closer to my thoughts, get closer to my emotions, and figure out what I'm really feeling. Allow my body to get some downtime, come up with ideas for the coming days or weeks. Which reminds me, remember to rejuvenate at the Rejuvenate workshop. May 2nd, 2021. Look at the water, how crystal clear it is. And there's some little fish in here somewhere. There's one. If I stay still long enough, they'll probably swim around my feet. But for the most part, you can see that one there. Yeah, he's coming. Yeah, there are two of them actually. Pretty quick. Well, I'm so honored that you continue to listen to what I have to say. But tell me, what do you do to remain resilient? Maybe we could share with each other. I mean, obviously one of the things that I do is to come and look out at the sea. Fortunately for me, I can, because it's nearby. And obviously good sunshine, being close to nature is not gonna lead me down the wrong path at any time. But when you're desk bound, when you're screen bound, what do you do? Please leave your comments below. And remember to subscribe. I've not been remembering to ask people to subscribe, to like the video, subscribe, to share the video with somebody else. And also you can hit that little bell so that you'll get notified when I have a new video. That would really help. Happy Earth Day, everybody, and looking forward to seeing you at the Rejuvenate workshop.